So hello and welcome back to the new video of the Java tutorial series. So in our previous video we have seen how we can insert a new node at the user specified location inside a circular linked list. Okay, so till now we have seen your insertion at user specified location, insertion at end, and insertion at beginning. So right now we will be starting with the deletion operation, and in this video we will be seeing how we can delete a node which is at the beginning from a circular linked list. Okay, so we are trying to delete the very first node of the circular linked list. Okay, so we will just go ahead and create that method. So for creating method I will just write one comment which says function for delete at beginning. Okay, so let me call it declare my method public static. Since we are updating the list, we are deleting the node which is first node of the list. So in that case we have to return the new node which is new head of the list. So we will write delete at beginning. Okay, so this is my method name. So inside this we have to pass the head of the list so that we can remove the first node of the list. Okay, so we will pass the head of the list. Okay, so initially we will check whether my head is equals to null. That means my head is pointing to the null. That means my list doesn't contain any node. Then in that case we will just simply return null. And if that is not the case, we will just create a new node, temporary node. We will name it as temp, which is equals to the head. Okay, and my head will be head dot next, and my temp is temp dot next is equals to null, and tail dot next is equals to head of the list. And now we will just simply return the head of the list. Okay, so this is how we can delete the element at the beginning. We will create one temporary variable and assign the value which is has similar of head, and head is equal to head dot next. We will increment the head value and we will assign the heads to the next node in the list, and we will also update the tail dot text is equals to head, which is our the tail should point to the new node inside the list. Okay, so this is how we can do it. And now we will just comment this out, which is the previous video code. And now over here we will just create a new node, and we will call that function. Okay, so delete at beginning, and we will pass the head of the list to this. Okay, and after that we will just print our list, but now we will use the new node for printing purpose, and we will again use the length function to get the length of the list. Okay, so this is, let me just call this method really quickly, and we will give the data as 1 2 3 4 5 and just give -1. Okay, so the you can see the length element in the list are 1 2 3 4 5, and the length is also 5 since we have 5 elements in the list. And after calling this delete at beginning method, you can see this print statement is called, and this print list method is giving us output as 2 3 4 5 because we have implemented the delete at beginning. So one node is getting deleted from the list, and the remaining list will be 2 3 4 5, and the list length of the list is also 4 because 4 elements are there inside the new list. Okay, so this is how you can perform the deletion at the beginning inside a circular linked list. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.